My brother. No kill yourself because of woman, no. Woman, where you dey kill yourself for? If you die, she go carry another man come your burial. Jesus! This video I come across online, it vex me. See, I don't want to talk am, but I say make I talk am. Because this message I want send so, it will be a help to other guys out there where they phone say, na me there with my babe, and nobody else, and na only me. My brother, no be only you. Because now waiting make us fall into temptation where me and you they suffer like this. So I go allow now make una watch this video. I beg, share this video, make it go worldwide. So that another brother where they there where they form for him babe say na only no say him babe they do another person out. Make it learn lesson.